Affiliate marketing is exploding right now, and this year it's set to get even bigger. But let's get something straight. Most beginners fail at affiliate marketing, not because they're lazy, not because they don't have the skills, but because they simply chose the wrong programs. They sign up for platforms with tiny commissions, they promote junk products, and they get zero support when things don't convert. It's frustrating, it's demotivating, and it is 100% avoidable, if you know where to look. And that's exactly what we're doing today. I'm going to break down the best affiliate programs for beginners in 2025. Programs that actually pay, convert, and help you grow. We're talking $100 plus per sale, strong branding, and systems that make scaling possible. Also, stick around to the end because I'm going to show you a smaller, lesser known affiliate program that's growing really fast at the moment. And it might just be your secret weapon for big commissions in 2025. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay locked in. This one is going to save you months of trial and error. Okay, let's bust a big myth straight away. Affiliate marketing is not just about finding any offer and dropping your link in as many places as you can think of. Most people think it is, but it's really not. It's about leverage, and the offer that you promote determines how much leverage you actually have. Because here's what happens when you pick the wrong program. You end up stuck promoting some $27 ebook that pays you maybe $4 per sale. You hustle hard for weeks, you push content non-stop, and you barely make enough money to cover your Wi-Fi bill. Or worse, the product is complete trash, no one wants it, and the sales page looks like it's something from 2007. No support, no tracking, no way to scale. That is not affiliate marketing. That is just self-sabotage. But when you pick the right program, you get high ticket commissions, $100, $250, $500, even more per sale. You promote offers that solve real problems for real people, and you get clean funnels, tested copy, tracking dashboards, and often a community of other affiliates who are there to help you level up. It stops being a guessing game and it starts to feel like a real business. A great program makes your life easier. It helps you build trust, it helps you make sales, and grow consistently without the need for 50,000 followers. So if you've been grinding with no results, then the odds are it's not your content, it's your offer. But don't worry, because I'm breaking down the affiliate programs that are actually worth your time at the moment. Alright, so the best affiliate programs to start with in 2025. We're talking real commissions, beginner-friendly tools, and platforms that actually help you grow. First up is ClickFunnels, and this one's great. If you're in the business or creator space, then this one's a real power move. Around 30 to 40% of their products come with reoccurring commissions, which means once you refer someone once, you can keep earning monthly for as long as they stay subscribed. ClickFunnels isn't some throwaway tool. It's got everything people need to run an online business. It's well established. They have funnels, landing pages, automations, the works. So if you're targeting coaches, course creators, or anyone selling online, then this offer sells itself. Well, almost. Next up is Amazon Associates, but use it carefully. Amazon's affiliate program is perfect for beginners because it lets you practice the real skills you'll need long term. Things like bridge content, top 5 tools for under $20, simple product tutorials that link directly to Amazon, and basic link strategy, placing your links smartly across videos, blogs, or social media. But the catch is, the commissions are tiny. We're talking 1% to 5% on most of the products. So you're not going to get rich off Amazon links, but you are building the foundational skills that will set you up for much bigger commissions later on. Next, we have Skillshare. Now, if your content is anywhere near creators, education, productivity, or self-improvement, then Skillshare is a goldmine. It's super easy to sign up for, they have clean landing pages that convert well, and there's a ton of niches you can tap into. Everything from graphic design to time management to personal development. Skillshare sells the dream of getting better and learning new skills. And that's a very easy emotional trigger to tap into, especially during times when people are focused on leveling up their careers or their side hustles. Next, we have ConvertKit. Now, if you're targeting content creators, coaches, or online marketers, then ConvertKit is an absolute no-brainer. They offer 70% lifetime recurring commissions, so once you refer someone, you keep getting paid every single month. That's if they stay subscribed, of course. Plus, their affiliate backend is rock solid. You get tracking, resources, and promo tools that actually help you convert. And if you're teaching anything about content creation, email marketing, or making money online, then it fits your audience like a glove. Simple program, real value, reoccurring income. Exactly what you want when you're building serious affiliate revenue. Next up is Fiverr. If your audience is freelancers, small business owners, or people building side hustles, then Fiverr is where they're already going to get work done. Their program offers flexible commission structure, depending on the service you promote, of course. The market is massive, millions and millions of buyers and millions of sellers. And you're not limited. You can promote editing services, logo design, website builds, and way more. It's especially powerful if you're trying to create content that teaches beginners how to outsource or build their first online brand fast. A quick tip if you do choose Fiverr's affiliate program, make sure you always use deep links to specific services. Don't just send people to Fiverr's homepage. The more direct you are, the higher your chances of making a sale. Okay, now here's where it gets interesting. You've seen the big name programs, but let me let you in on something that most creators just don't talk about. Sometimes the small programs, the ones that no one's shouting about, well, that's where the real money lives. So let's talk about the Mindset for Success Academy affiliate program. And now this one is personal because this is my own affiliate program. You can earn up to 50% commissions on programs that are already converting and converting well. We're talking real offers like the Affiliate Marketing Masterclass, programs that actually transform people's businesses and income, not just give them more theory. And here's the kicker. You don't just get a faceless AI support system. You get real mentorship, real help, and real support to actually grow your affiliate results. And because this isn't some mega platform with 10,000 affiliates all fighting for attention, it's a tight, growing community, which means less competition and more opportunity for people who move now. So if you're serious about affiliate marketing and you want a partner who actually cares about your success, then this is your shot. There's a link in the description where you can check it out and sign up. It's completely free to sign up, and there are regular bonuses for top performing affiliates. Okay, let me be blunt. You don't need 10 affiliate links, you just need 2 or 3 really smart ones, because every link you drop is a reflection of your brand. So if you're serious about building long-term income, here's a non-negotiable checklist that you should use before promoting anything. Okay, first on the list is high payouts or reoccurring commissions. If you're making content, then you're already doing the work. So why settle for a tiny payout? Look for affiliate offers that pay $100 or more per sale. or that give you monthly recurring commissions. Think about it. Do the work once and get paid every month. That is how you stack leverage. Second is audience product match. This one is massive because even if the payout is great, if it's not right for your audience, then it's not going to convert. So ask yourself, does this solve a real problem my viewers actually care about? Would I use this myself? And does it align with the message of my content? If the answer is no, then it's not worth the click. Third is good tracking and easy payouts. You want to be able to see where your leads are coming from, know when you've actually made a sale, and actually get paid without 50 different hoops to jump through. Avoid shady programs, no dashboard, no reporting, or insane payout minimums. You're not here to chase pennies. You're here to build real income. And the final point on the checklist is that the creator or company actually cares. This one, well, most people tend to overlook it, and it kills their growth. If you're promoting some massive brand that doesn't even know that you exist, well, good luck getting any support. But when you promote a program where you get access to the team, you're treated like a partner, and you're given actual tools to succeed, like my program, well, that's when the needle starts to move and you actually start making real money. The bottom line is, don't promote something just because it kind of fits. Promote what you'd stake your name on, because people don't just click your links. They're trusting you with their attention and with their time, and sometimes with their money. And that trust, well, that's your most valuable asset online. Okay, let's wrap this up. If you've taken one thing from this video, it should be this. You don't need 50 random affiliate links from a whole bunch of different programs. You just need 1 or 2 great offers, a clear strategy, and the consistency to keep showing up. So let's make it real. Drop a comment below and let me know which affiliate program you're starting with. Is it going to be ClickFunnels, ConvertKit, or maybe mine? I read every comment and I'd love to know what you guys are building. Also, if you're serious about building a real affiliate income stream, one that pays well, converts well, and actually gives you support, then please do check out my Mindset for Success Academy affiliate program. You'll get up to 50% commissions on digital products that actually help people. You'll get access to me and my team, no more promoting faceless platforms, and you'll get real help and content strategies to help you grow faster. It's free to join. There's a link for that in the description below. You can also grab my free affiliate marketing beginner strategy guide in the description below. It's packed with tips and tools to get you started. And finally, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. You've got the programs, so now go and get the commissions. I'll see you in the next video.